Setting a new course. We're not going to regroup with the others. We're going to the Dagobah system. That's all right. I'd like to keep it on manual control for a while.
I saw him.
Saw what?
Star Destroyer's coming right at us.
Sir, might I
Shut him
suggest...
up or shut him down. Check the deflector shield. Great. Well, it's still out maneuver. Take evasive action. Prepare to make the jump to light speed.
But sir!
They're getting closer.
Oh, yeah? Watch this.
Watch what?
I think we're in trouble.
If I may say so, sir, I noticed earlier the hyperdrive motivator has been damaged. It's impossible to go to light speed.
We're in trouble. Where's our boosters? Move dampers! No! That's not it! Bring me the hydro spammer! I don't know how we're gonna get out of this one. That wasn't a laser blast. Something hit us.
Han, get up here.
Come on, Chewie!
Asteroids.
Chewie said 271.
What are you doing? You're not actually going into an asteroid field.
They'd be crazy to follow us, wouldn't they?
You don't have to do this to impress me.
Sir, the possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
Said you want to be around when I made a mistake. This could be it, sweetheart.
I take it back. We're going to get pulverized if we stay out here much longer.
You can argue with that.
Pulverized.
I'm going in closer to one of the big ones.
Closer.
Closer. Oh, this is suicide. There's nowhere to go.
There. That looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah. It'll do nice.
Excuse me, ma'am, but where are we going?
I hope you know what you're doing.
Yeah, me too.
Yep, that's it. Dagobah. No, I'm not going to change my mind about this. Massive life form readings, though. There's something alive down there.